Hi friends, welcome to my channel Early Learning with T, and today I am sharing a learning binder that I used for my daughter when she was around 2.5 to 4 years, and this binder covers all the basic learning concepts. So let's start. So this is how I took printables and stored all my materials here. And first, this is capital and small, uppercase and lowercase letters with an object or an image to associate. I introduced phonics, so she used to revise both letter names and letter sounds. Like here it is S. S makes the sound snail. U says umbrella. So that was the way she learned letters through phonics. And next here it is shapes. For shapes, once we use the shape sorter, then we move to this. So here this is the ice cream, and you know every kid likes ice creams. So here are the shapes. So she has to associate the outline with the correct shape. Here this is circle. So here the circle goes. Then this is triangle, pentagon, and so. Next is numbers. Numbers we did till 10. Here every number has the same amount of dots, so she has to recognize the number, count the dots, and sometimes it was just counting and sometimes it was stamping with the stampers. I used them in this file folder so that we can reuse them multiple times. Then comes sorting based on size: large, medium and small. Again I had these cutouts of a small, medium and large honeybees, where I give her the mixed pictures, and she has to sort them and put them according to size. Then again the shapes. Here this is snowman shapes. So these are the basic concepts, so they need to be revised multiple times. So here goes the circle snowman as the head of it, and this is the hexagon snowman. She has to find the hexagon snowman and put his head. Then here it is bugs. So basic bugs: ants, butterfly, spider, honeybee, grasshopper. So these are the basic insects and bugs that we learn. So again I had a printable of these, so I took another set of this and made cutouts of that, and she had to match. This was a Christmas activity, and here I have given a sheet with multiple colors and pictures, and then I have given her small cutouts from those. See, here she has to see this, the pattern in this, and she has to match, like red, green, orange, blue. Where is that? So she has to see. So this is the first part. In the same way, for every line I have given her in the same way, so she has to see and match those. Here the stars. So basically I introduced as one line, but then again once it was easy for her, I just made 2 bits of that and gave her. These are again the same matching activities. These are all good for visual skills. So they need to see the image, then take a same image and match. This looks easy for us but not for them. So because they have to see the color, shape, size and pick up the same, remember it in the mind, pick it up and then put it back again. So this is not that easy as it looks for kids. Here again it is types of Christmas tree, and these are Christmas ornaments. Again this is again Christmas ornaments, lights, and this is shapes in a butterfly. This is again to reinforce shapes. So she has to match the same color shapes in the opposite side, in the opposite wing. So like this, here it is circle, rectangle and oval. My job was to cut, her job was to color. Then together we used to do these activities. So this is again good for reinforcement of colors, shapes, and also to understand the positions. Then here numbers. So before that, this is an activity where this is much, this can be used for directions as well as to identify the shapes. Here the image is given. This is like matching the silhouette. So she has to identify what is this. This is pig, and she has to find the number of pigs, count them or color them or circle them. Then here this is count and match the number. So it's basically count the objects to then identify the number. This is matching the animal tails. First identifying the animal. See, this is lion, this is elephant, and then here I have the tails pictures. She has to find the tails and associate them. This is for crocodile, monkey, elephant, snake, monkey. So this way she has to associate the tails of each animal. Initial level puzzles. These are the freedom fighters. I used to tell her the names and very basic 2-line information about them. This is matching this images, like shadow images. So here she has to first see the shape of each flower, remember it, and then recognize the same shape. If it was the same color, then it would be easy. But just remember identifying based on the pattern or the image is difficult for them. So this is one thing. So you can initially start with just same pictures and then move to shadow images. Here this is again a visual game where she has to see the pattern of this ball and then identify the same pattern and circle it. So this way this goes. Here again this is same. I enforced more on visual games, puzzles, logical games that more than numbers and letters, because the numbers and letters can be learned at school, but these skills parents have to teach. So here these are the 3 shapes she has to, and I've given each color to each shape. So she has to find the image, recognize the color and color it in the box below it. So this is not easy initially, it takes time. Again here it is the same. We have used it many times with markers and sketch pens, so you may find few marks on them. So here again the position of the black dot in each circle has different colors for them. So if it is below, then it is black. If it is in middle, it is orange. If it is up, it is yellow. So in the same way she has to go through each line, and if she has to mark the colors. See here it is below, so below is black. This is middle, so orange. In the same way she has to do complete it. Then here you have an image, then you have few things below that are in the same picture. Here it is cups, so she has to count the number of cups and write the number. Same bottles and plates, so she has to find those in the image, count them and write. These are all same thing. Here again it is almost the same thing. Here in the picture you have multiple things. This is based on farm, so the house, number of trees, pigs, she has to count and write the number. Initially they can't write, so you can give them just shapes, the magnetic or wooden or plastic pictures, numbers, so they can just pick it up and put it here. Later once they know how to write, you can ask them to write. So this is again the same thing. Initially she used to just put the picture, but then once she learned to draw, she started drawing them. Hope you all like the video, and I think this is useful. I will try to find the links of these printables and put them in the description box. Otherwise, I will leave my mail ID, so you can just ping me. I will send you. Thank you.